Yesterday, the MTA board voted on Option Order 2, which is the final order of R211 subway cars for our system. So in this video, we'll be talking about Option Order 2 and getting a full analysis on the full R211 subway car order. The full R211 contract is split into 3 separate orders. First, we have the base order, which is the one we're currently accepting delivery for. The base R211 order includes 535 total subway cars. 440 of these are R211A closed-end cars, which are currently being deployed on the A and C lines. 20 of these are R211T open gangway cars, which currently run on the C line. And 75 of these are R211S cars, which are currently being deployed on the Staten Island Railway. Speaking of those cars, announced by MTA President Demetrius Critchlow, the R211S cars have passed their 30-day acceptance test, which allows for the rest of the R211S fleet to be deployed on the island. The MTA expects full delivery of the base order by May of 2025. Next up, we have Option Order 1, which consists of 640 R211A subway cars. The MTA exercised this option order in November of 2022. This option order will start delivery in 2025 and is expected to be finished in 2027. Finally, we have Option Order 2, which consists of a total of 435 more cars, 80 of which will be R211Ts with the hard shell design. These cars will have minor changes from the current R211Ts to allow them to run on more lines around the system without issue. This final option order is expected to start delivery in 2027. With the full R211 contract now having been ordered, we can be fully confident in the MTA's ability to replace its aging B division fleet, starting with the R46s and moving towards the R68 and R68A car type with Option Order 2. These R211 cars are far more reliable than the 40-year-old cars they are replacing and have useful features like information screens, announcements, and a more spacious interior. While the R211As continue to come into service on the A and C lines, the MTA is testing their service across the system and has announced that 2 sets of R211Ts will be moved to run on the G line starting next year, giving riders a 2 in 10 chance of encountering an open gangway train set. Also announced yesterday, partially related to the R211 order, is that the IND Fulton line and Liberty Avenue lines will start CBTC installation next year, which will bring CBTC to the A line between 59th Street in Manhattan and Lefferts Boulevard in Queens, and on the C line also from 59th Street in Manhattan to Euclid Avenue in Brooklyn. These are huge announcements for the New York City subway system, and the benefits of heavy investment into our transit system will soon pay off. CBTC allows for an increase in reliability and on-time performance, and the CBTC-ready R211 cars allow for an easy transition into the new technology. In the comments below, let me know what you think about the announcement of the R211 Option Order 2 and the acceleration of the CBTC projects on the A and C lines.